Hello everyone! We are now traveling going to Tanay, Rizal to have a quick getaway from the city and to have an overnight camp experience and nature. So for today, we are just taking public rides. So tara!
Hi po! Good evening! Kakarating na po talaga namin dito po sa Nature's Palette here in Tanay, Rizal. And then, nagabihan po kami dahil may mga dinaanan na traffic. But, it's good to be here. Finally here na po. Yung weather po is malamig. Wala pa po kaming makikita na view doon sa labas kasi yun nga gabi. But, we will see tomorrow po kung gaano po kaganda dito sa Nature's Palette. And I'm with my sister, Jessalyn. And this is, Sister's Travel Vlog. See you po!
Good morning!
Hello, good morning!
We just finished our worship, and so after that we are going to go down and we are going to cook our food for breakfast. This is our accommodation, the miracle accommodation, because actually we're supposed to pitch a tent when we came here. That's the first plan. However, we don't know. The owner just told us that we can stay here. So, it's so amazing. And we are thankful. Yes, because this accommodation actually much more expensive. However, we got it, I think, for free. So, alright. We're gonna go down now and we're gonna cook our food.
Yes, and this is our view there.
Nature's Palette is actually a new development campsite, so most of their facilities are still under construction. And we're so glad to have a first experience here, and actually for today we're just the only guest, so maybe that's why they just asked us to stay inside the kubo for safety.
So, yan, ito po yung view namin. I think that's near Mount Kulis po. So, baba na po tayo. Ito na ba yun? Let me just get my sandals. Yeah.
Good morning from Nature's Palette!
Yan po yung baba ng kubo. It's with a table and benches. So, dyan po tayo ngayon magluluto. Ito po yung dala namin na gadget for cooking. And yun, ito po yung mga bao namin. Mga vegan, ready to cook na mga food. And also my favorite, barley ko. And bread. So, yun.
It's so nice that Rizal is nearer sa cities and you can just escape from the busy city life to experience nature like this.
Yan, rice is life po. So, magluluto po tayo ng rice. And ito po yung hinihiwa ng mga vegan po na ready to cook food for our breakfast. Hello po. So, kakatapos lang po namin mag-hot drink with barley ko and bread. At nag-aantay na lang po kami sa pagluto po ng aming rice. Kasi yun, nasa cooker pa po siya sa butane. So, ayun, tambay-tambay muna. Nasa ilalim po kami ng kubo na pinulugan namin.
I really thank God that we're able to arrive here safely. And actually, we didn't know this place. We just explored through the maps and we're here. And you know what? The story about how we traveled to this place is really amazing. Kasi nung pagdating po namin doon sa terminal, we are actually clueless kung ano yung sasakyan. However, may dumaan po na jeepney sa harapan namin at tinawag niya po kami. So, sumakay na lang kami doon. And we realized na it was actually the last trip of the jeepney na magta-travel po sa lugar na ito. So, it's really amazing. Praise God po talaga. Ayan, 1 year later, nakakain na sa wakas. Kain po tayo! Ayan, so after po namin nag-breakfast, bigla pong umulan. So, lumabas po yung fog doon sa pallet, which is nice. So we can't actually explore the down part of this campsite anymore kasi it's very slippery, so we just had to stay inside the kubo and enjoy the view.
Hi! Sa kakaulan, nag-fog na po dito.
Hello! Sister accommodation po. Ang bait po ng may-ari. Thank you po for letting us stay here.
Yes po. So, this is very simple. Like, one bed that can fit 2 people with a very nice view of window. So, yun po. Adios!
Bye!
Ayan, shout out kay Kuya sa pagpasakay po ng aming mga gamit at kami po ay maglalakad sa putikan papuntang highway.
Hi! Kumusta po? Kumusta po?
Behind the scenes.
Behind the scenes, actually. Naglakad po kami papunta sa highway. Tapos, ang putik po.
Hindi po punta highway. Papunta pa sa tindahan.
Ay, sa tindahan na papunta sa highway.
Para makasakay ng tricycle papunta highway.
Kaya natin to.
Ayan, so nakalabas na po kami and thank you po kay Kuya kasi tutulungan niyo po kami sa pag-aabang po ng jeepney while riding his tricycle. So yung jeepney na po yun po yung magdadala sa amin pababa na po talaga ng Rizal sa Kogyo. And that's the end of our vlog. Thank you so much for watching. God bless you!